Shalom. First and foremost, I'd like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh Ba'Shem, Yahweh Shai Ba'Shem, Wakakadash, and the Heavenly Father. The true name is Yahweh, and His only begotten Son, Bahashem, in the name of Mashiach Yahweh Shai. Those are their true names in the ancient Paleo Hebrew, the Lashwan Kadash, the whole tongue. And Shalom to the elders, Wa'akim, Wa'akwa, and I say Shalom. And this is a sit-down lesson that I want to bring out of this recent news article from the New York Post. Even though this is from February 13th, and because today is February the 16th, and it reads, soccer player struck by lightning killed during a game in a frightening video. It says a 35-year-old soccer player was struck by lightning and killed during a match in Indonesia, with the shocking tragedy caught on video. Stepten Rajara was in the middle of a friendly game between his football boots Indonesia squad and FC Bandung on Saturday when he was struck down by a boat and collapsed on the field around 4:20 p.m. Saturday, according to a report by The Independent. It says the footage has circulated online shows other players rushing to Rajara's aid. The injured footballer was still breathing when he was rushed to a local hospital, but later died, declared dead, according to the outlet. And this is the prophet Isaiah 29 in verse 6. Thou shalt be visited of the Lord.